Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead and looking hot and humid for the next several days. In fact, most of the next week and a half will feature highs at least in the lower 90s, and we'll talk about that in a second. Meantime, here's the pattern on the upper level ridge to our west. Do have a disturbance to our east, and all that rain associated with the disturbance, thanks to this ridge, is going to stay to our east. A little bit of this energy is going to eventually float around the top of the ridge and move south into our area, giving us a chance for the scattered shower late this weekend. But until then, the heat and humidity will be the main story in weather as we're looking at lows tonight across the Arklatex that will fall into the mid-70s. So another partly cloudy, warm and muggy night on the way tonight. Another hot, humid day on the way tomorrow with highs over most of the area in the middle 90s. Combine those middle 90s with the high humidity, and you can see heat index values across the region as we go through the day. We'll creep up into the mid-90s by noon, should warm close to 100 during the afternoon, and a few spots could actually flirt with 105. Depending on how hot temperatures get. Now, moving through the next few days, we're looking at, again, basically dry conditions. You can see the partly cloudy sky with a few low clouds sneaking back into the region tonight. Tomorrow, we'll see those clouds give way to plenty of sunshine. No rain for your Friday. I think for the most part, quiet tomorrow night with a partly cloudy sky. And then Saturday, we start the weekend with that mix of clouds and sunshine. We will see that chance for the scattered shower return heading into perhaps Saturday night into Sunday. Here's a look at the longer range version of Futurecast showing you the development of the scattered showers across the area Sunday afternoon. Now, this is a lower resolution model, so again, the coverage will be much more detailed here. So it is looking somewhat isolated to scattered in nature for Sunday. That will wrap up Sunday night, and then Monday we pretty much should be relatively dry, and not looking at a whole lot as far as rainfall, not only for this disturbance Sunday, but if you add up all the rain for the next 10 days, model's pretty good agreement that we'll see totals over pretty much all of the area less than a half an inch. So it looks like a chance to dry out quite a bit here during the next 10 days or so. So all that being said, here's a look at your 10-day forecast as we will see temperatures across the Arklatex that will stay hot. It will stay humid, mid-90s through Wednesday. Lows will stay in the mid-70s through Wednesday. A little bit drier air will try to work its way into the Arklatex here late next week, but not much relief. Lows only falling into the upper 60s to low 70s. Highs will fall into the upper 80s to low 90s. And for Father's Day weekend, it does look like maybe a chance for a scattered shower, but rainfall chances looking rather limited at this time. Again, there is a possibility for some tropical development in the Gulf of Mexico. The chances of that happening are rather slim. If it does happen, chances are even slimmer that it would impact our area. So just something, given how wet we are right now, that we need to keep a close eye on as we go through the next week and a half. So all in all, the heat and humidity will continue with very little rain from now through next week.